Hello guys! Welcome back to Deep Chinese. I am Gloria. Today we are going to learn some English common phrases in Cantonese. Actually, I don't know its term. Some people call them catchphrases, others call them pet phrases. And we call it 口頭禪 in Cantonese. To post video fast, I will just teach 6 of them first. If you would like to learn more, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell so that you won't miss my updates. Give me a like to cheer me up so that I have more energy to make videos for you guys. Number 1. When your friend is late and say sorry to you, 對唔住啊. Then you would say, it's okay, don't worry about it. 唔緊要, not 緊要, urgent, important. 唔緊要, it's not a big deal, or it means it doesn't matter. Number 2, when I explain to you why I don't live with my parents, 因為冇自由, 冇私隱, 同埋好易嗌交, then you will say, right, it makes sense. 都係嘅, right. Or we could say, 你講得啱, right. And also, we have a formal way to say that is 你講嘅都有道理，有道理 make sense, 道理 reason, all of them means it makes sense. Number 3, my fault, my bad. When your boyfriend and you 煲電話粥 until midnight and you don't have enough sleep, the other day he will say, it's my bad. 一日最衰都係我啦，一日都係 As a structure, it means it's all because of. 最衰 the worst. 一日最衰都係我啦 it's all my fault. Or we could say 都係我唔好 it's my bad. And if you messed up a contract and you're trying to apologize to your coworker, it's all my fault. 都怪我啦，搞到公司冇咗單生意。怪 blame， 搞到 make， 公司 company， 冇咗 lose， 單 is the measure word， 生意 business。都怪我啦，搞到公司冇咗單生意。It's all my fault. I screwed up our company's business deal. Number 4 is up to you. If your friends discuss what you are going to eat tonight, 今晚食咩啊？燒烤、漢堡包定係拉麵啊？ You don't want to make a decision. You could say, it's up to you. About this one, it's up to you. We have the structure is 你話 what?就 what. So it literally means like you say what, then it's what. It depends on what we are talking about. Like here, you want to eat what, then eat what. Then we could say 你話食咩就咩啦. And the common phrases, it will be 你話點就點啦. 點 it means how. You say how, then how. 你話幾時就幾時. You say what time, then it's what time. But if you always answer in this way, it seems you are a ship. Or we could try to say anything will do. 咩都得. Last time we have already learned it. It means everything. 得 is okay. 咩都得. Everything is okay. Or we could also say whatever. 是但啦. Yes, 是但啦 is as rude as its English meaning. So don't try to use it a lot. Number 5, kind of. People always ask me, Gloria, 你鍾唔鍾意飲咖啡啊? I will always answer them. 都算鍾意啦. 算 consider as. 都算鍾意啦. It's considered as like. Maybe I like. I can't stand the black coffee so far, so I always add milk and sugar inside. So I think I'm not a real coffee lover. So I would just say kind of, yeah. I don't hate it. So 都算鍾意啦，都算鍾意啦. Yeah, kind of like. So what's more, the people will always ask you, are you available now? Then you could say, yeah, kind of. 都算得閒啦，都算得閒啦. Of course, you could also answer with 少少, 少少, a little bit. But I think when people ask you these questions, they expect your answer to be yes. So 少少 has some negative concept. That's what I think. Some people ask me how to say have a good day, sweet dreams, sleep tight. This kind of sweet phrases to end our conversation in a pleasant way. To be honest, we have this translation based on the English phrases, but we don't use it in our daily life. We have another expressions. For example, sweet dreams, sleep tight, good night. All of them, we would just say 早唞,早唞,早 early, 唞 take a break, 早唞 take a break early. It means good night. Guys, you see? Adverbs always be in front of verbs. Okay, that is our rules in Chinese or in Cantonese. Okay, or maybe you could say 發個靚夢, 發個靚夢. But I think it's rare to say that. Next one, nice to meet you. No, we don't say that. Only the books will tell you that we have this one, but actually we don't have. I will not teach you any written form that we don't use in our daily life. So how about have a good day? Sometimes people talk with us in the early morning and we will end the conversation with these kind phrases. But we don't say it in Cantonese. If you bumped into someone on the street and after chit-chat, you could say 我走先啦,你慢慢啦,我走先啦,你慢慢啦,走 live, 先 first. 我走先啦, I'm leaving. 慢慢, 慢慢, slowly. 我走先啦, 你慢慢啦. I'm leaving now. Take your time to do the things that you're doing right now. So that's what we learned today. If you are more than a beginner, you will look up these common phrases character by character in your dictionary. It turns out that it's all written form. So that's why you need a teacher sometimes. I'm always available to give you a private lesson. If you would like to learn more native Cantonese phrases, please contact me here and support me here. Did I miss any English phrases which is common but is totally different from Cantonese? Leave me a comment and I will make another videos for you. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye bye.